Check out this Cadillac here, unique, especially in classics. Gotta love the late 70s Eldorados. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado to be exact. Colonial yellow, paint code number 54. Antique light yellow leather interior, 502 trim. So this car's still looking very much the way it would have back in 1978 when it rolled off the Cadillac dealer showroom floor. Take a look at the chrome up front. Grille, headlight surrounds. 7-liter, 425 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. And take a look at the filler panels. Obviously, if you're familiar with these cars, you know those filler panels can age and deteriorate. Looking good on this one from what I've seen so far. Power steering, power brakes, AC, automatic transmission. Check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Color matched Cadillac wheel covers, white wall radials. Take a look down these long panels, see how nice and straight they are. We'll get around to the driver's side here, start it up, let you hear it run. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, we'll take this down the road, show you how it drives out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Very stock looking car. Partial vinyl roof. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See the rear filler panels, also looking good. Check out those bumper guards. Be able to see the data tag in the still pictures. So if you'd like to do any decoding yourself, be able to see exactly how this car was equipped new. That's in the still pictures also, as well as undersides. Interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down the driver's side here, and you can see these panels are nice and straight. It's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Be a fun one. Just take out and drive. You know how nice this thing's got to go down the road. And your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have a little fun. Paint's got a nice shine to it. Cool color combination. This one you don't see every day. We actually took this in on trade. A gentleman drove it here from, give or take 400 miles away. So wasn't afraid to jump in and drive it. You can see the leather seats. Still looking very stock. Tilt column. Cruise control. Go ahead and fire this up. Fuel gauge up here, it is working. Take a look at this. I don't know if you can see that or not. Kind of tough to see. The clock is actually working. Let's check out the AM FM. Notice the antenna not go up and down. Radio power's up. This is AM FM. 8-track. So cruise control initiated over here. Appears there is a CD changer on it also. So a few different options as far as tunes go, so to speak. Top of the dash looking good. Power windows, power locks, of course. Power windows working. Headliner looks good. Door closes nicely. Hinge pins are good, considering that long, heavy door. Give you an idea how it sounds. It sounds as you'd expect. I'm going to slip up to the front. I got to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then remember, like I said earlier, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this thing for a drive. Alright, get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. And while I was getting the hood released, it did warm up and came off high idle. Nice, smooth runner. No doubt about that. Look at how clean and tight it is underneath here. Really lack of much corrosion at all. Some of this car's been well cared for. Quite the engine bay on these, no doubt about that. Sounds good, looks good. Remember, 425 V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like a newer master cylinder here. Let's see. Slip around to the back so you can hear that run on the low idle. Good sound to it. 1978 Cadillac Eldorado. Colonial yellow. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1978 Cadillac Eldorado. Very nice leather seats in this car. The luxury of Cadillac showing in this car. Nice, smooth suspension ride. Good acceleration as you would expect from Cadillac. This is an automatic on the column. Cruise control does work on this car.
Mysterious liquid, nobody really knows what it was, but you'd plug them in.
Factory radio working well. Both our turn signal indicators also function, and the wipers function. This car is a two-door, but it's one of those big, comfortable ones. Lots of room. I would call it a great road tripping car. Very nice condition interior. Door panels and seats and headliner looking good. Brakes are working very well. Nice quiet ride from this Cadillac. The era of the hood ornament. Love those giant hood ornaments. Corners well. Pushing that throttle down, the transmission does kick down. There is a pull to the right if I let go of the steering wheel. Very nice Cadillac. Starts up and idles excellent. And feels like it just loves going down the road. Learn more about this car and check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.